I think where I'm at in my life right now is just, you know, there's a reality that I have 6 kids. There's a reality that, you know, I've been through so much in my life. And it's just at a point of where you start to think about and pray on, like, what more can you do? You start to realize that, you know, you weren't put here to just be, just to make money or just to be successful. Like some of the things that you thought you were put here for, you start to realize, well, I know it's bigger than that. I try to lead by example. I try to show people that there's no excuses, especially young people.
Right.
If I could do it, that you could do it. If I could go in and start my own business, yes, it's going to be hard. Yes, you're going to have to educate yourself outside of the educational system. Yes, you know, you're going to get doors slammed in your face. Yes, people are going to look at you in a stereotypical way. But you can't face that reality.